When comparing Help Scout versus Zoho Desk, it's important to weigh the pros and cons of both to figure out which is truly the best help desk software. So, in this video, we'll break down both platforms, their features, and where they fall short. Stick around, because at the end, I'll share a better alternative that you might not have considered. First off, Help Scout is known for its simplicity. It's a great tool for teams who want to offer customer support without getting bogged down by too many complex features. Its clean interface and easy-to-use design make it approachable for smaller teams or businesses that just need a straightforward help desk solution. The pricing is competitive, and it includes features like shared inboxes, reporting tools, and integrations with a range of third-party apps. But while it does well in simplicity, some users might find that it lacks depth in advanced reporting and customization. Next, Zoho Desk is much more feature-rich compared to Help Scout. It offers more in terms of automation, ticket management, and reporting. Zoho Desk is excellent for teams that need a robust system with more customization options. The ability to track tickets across multiple channels, like social media, email, and live chat, is a big plus for businesses with a more diverse support infrastructure. The downside here is that the user interface isn't as intuitive as Help Scout's, which can make onboarding a bit trickier. Also, some of the more advanced features are only available in the higher tier plans, which could be a deal breaker for smaller businesses with tighter budgets. The third thing to consider is the pricing model. Help Scout offers transparent and straightforward pricing that's easy to understand, especially for smaller teams. However, the more advanced features, like automated workflows or custom reporting, are locked behind the higher tier plans, which might be limiting for growing businesses. Zoho Desk, on the other hand, provides more features at a lower entry price, but can get quite expensive as you scale and require more advanced tools. If you want access to the full suite of features with Zoho Desk, be prepared to pay for it. Now, looking at integrations, both platforms offer integrations with other tools, but Zoho Desk takes the edge here. It integrates seamlessly with other Zoho apps, like Zoho CRM, which is a huge benefit if you're already using their ecosystem. On the flip side, Help Scout integrates with a variety of popular third-party apps, but not as extensively as Zoho. Another important point is customer support. Help Scout shines with its customer support options, including live chat and email support, and the team behind it is known for being very responsive. Zoho Desk also offers customer support, but some users report slower response times, especially on the lower tier plans. If quick support is important to you, Help Scout might be the way to go. Finally, let's talk about scalability. While both tools can support small teams, Zoho Desk is the better option if you're looking for a solution that can scale with your business. Its wide range of features, automation tools, and reporting capabilities make it a better choice for larger businesses or those looking for more customization in their help desk operations. So, when comparing Help Scout versus Zoho Desk, it really comes down to what you need. Help Scout is a great choice if you're looking for simplicity and an intuitive interface, but if you're looking for a more feature-packed, scalable solution, Zoho Desk might be your better bet. But after trying all of them myself, if you want a better alternative for help desk management, one that combines simplicity with powerful features, I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description. You'll get access to a free trial, and through our link, you'll receive exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Trust me, it's worth a look.